Welcome. Today, we're diving into a topic that often confuses many: the difference between machine learning and AI engineering. These terms are sometimes used interchangeably, but they actually refer to distinct fields within the broader world of artificial intelligence. Understanding the distinction is crucial for anyone interested in tech, whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about how these technologies shape our world. Let's start by defining what artificial intelligence is and then explore how machine learning and AI engineering fit into the bigger picture. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a broad field that focuses on creating systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include reasoning, learning, problem solving, perception, and even understanding language. AI encompasses a wide range of technologies, from simple rule-based systems to complex neural networks. It's the overarching concept that includes many subfields, one of which is machine learning. Now let's zoom in on machine learning and see how it fits within AI. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on building systems that can learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. In other words, machine learning algorithms use data to identify patterns, make predictions, or take actions. This approach powers many of the AI applications we see today, such as recommendation systems, image recognition, and language translation. Machine learning is all about developing models that can adapt and get better as they process more information. AI engineering, on the other hand, is about designing, building, and deploying AI systems in real-world environments. It's a multidisciplinary field that combines principles from software engineering, data science, and systems design. AI engineers focus on making AI models reliable, scalable, and maintainable. They handle everything from integrating machine learning models into applications to ensuring these systems run efficiently and securely. In short, AI engineering turns AI concepts and models into practical, usable solutions. Core focus of machine learning is developing algorithms and models that can learn from data. Researchers and practitioners in this field spend their time experimenting with different model architectures, tuning parameters, and improving accuracy. In contrast, AI engineering is concerned with the practical aspects of bringing these models to life. This includes software development, infrastructure, testing, and monitoring. While machine learning is about discovery and innovation, AI engineering is about application and reliability. Machine learning specialists typically need strong backgrounds in mathematics, statistics, and programming. They must understand algorithms, data structures, and have experience with tools like Python, TensorFlow, or PyTorch. AI engineers, meanwhile, require a broader skill set. In addition to understanding machine learning, they need expertise in software engineering, cloud computing, and systems integration. Your role often involves collaborating with teams to ensure AI solutions are robust and scalable. Practice, the workflow for machine learning and AI engineering can look quite different. Machine learning experts focus on data collection, cleaning, feature engineering, and model training. Their goal is to create the most accurate and efficient model possible. AI engineers, on the other hand, take these models and integrate them into larger systems. They handle deployment, monitoring, scaling, and maintenance, ensuring the AI solution works reliably in production environment. Imagine a company wants to build a voice assistant. The machine learning team would develop and train the speech recognition and natural language processing models. Once these models are ready, the AI engineering team steps in. They integrate the models into the company's app, ensure the system can handle millions of users, and monitor performance. This collaboration highlights how both roles are essential for delivering successful AI products. Wrap up: machine learning and AI engineering are closely related but serve different purposes. Machine learning is about creating models that can learn from data, while AI engineering is about making those models work in the real world. Both fields require unique skills and mindsets, and together they drive the advancement and adoption of artificial intelligence. Understanding their differences helps clarify career paths and project roles in the fast-evolving tech landscape.